Choose Lasso tool. Select face like this. Press Ctrl+C to copy, Ctrl+V to paste. Adjust the face. Go to Image. Adjustments. Match color. Choose background image for source. And face image for layer. Activate the neutralize. Play with sliders to match the colors. Then click OK. Hold Ctrl and click on box of face layer to make selection. Go to Select menu. Modify, Contract. 7 pixels good for this image. Click on this icon to unlock the layer. Now press Delete key from the keyboard to delete selected area. Press Ctrl+D to deselect. Hold Ctrl and select both layers. Go to Edit menu. Auto Blend Layers. Apply this settings. Then click OK.